The DeLonghi Eletta Explore Espresso machine is the only fully automatic espresso machine with both hot and cold foam technology, featuring a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings for freshly ground coffee. With this machine, you can explore over 50 hot and cold recipes, including espresso, cappuccino, latte, iced cappuccino, iced latte, and cold brew, all at the touch of a button. The machine's proprietary LatteCrema Hot System textures milk or your favorite milk alternatives to perfection for classic espresso beverages, while the LatteCrema Cool System delivers velvety milk cold foam at the ideal temperature for iced drinks. Enjoy cold brew in under 3 minutes with DeLonghi's proprietary cold extraction technology, which uses precise water flow and pressure rates along with specific extraction temperatures. Cleanup is simple with the auto-clean function and detachable, dishwasher-safe design, and the full-touch display and soft-touch control icons allow for easy navigation in beverage crafting. With the Eletta Explore, you can personalize your favorite hot and cold recipes to your taste, unleashing your creativity and enjoying cafe-style beverages at home.